Hello guys, my name is the Emerald Master MC. We are now playing Minecraft Pocket Edition 1.1.5. There's a problem with my Minecraft Pocket Edition because I cannot update it. I will just play I'll make a new world. It will be a survival world. What do I think I will do? I'll name it Recorder World. Recorder World. Okay, next. Then we will do it in normal. In survival. Let's on cheats. Let's see it 999. Then resource pack ne behavior pack. Okay. Now, let's just play it. Sorry guys with this nasty boring, please.
Hello guys.
Sorry guys, that is my cousin.
Hi, my name is Haya.
We are waiting for Minecraft. I will just give me a... Hello guys, welcome back. I just waited about 3 to 4 minutes.
Hello.
Ooh, what? Is there a blacksmith here?
Hello.
Let's go here. How about... What do you have? Ooh, emerald. Ay? Oh, efficiency. Can I off my cursor, please? Wait. So laggy, please. I hate this. Lead controls.
Ayun mo si Not.
Now we are going to the blacksmith. Danye. Wait, guys. So guys, let's just start competing here. Where's the blacksmith? I don't want to go there. Let's go what's thinking in the blacksmith. An apple, 3 iron ingot, and 1 that. I can make an pickaxe with this. So let's take an wood to wood. Let's take an what's wood called this? I'll take birch woods. Next, I will kill the sheep. Punch. Where's that sheep? I will kill that fucking sheep. Yeah. Hi, karate chop. Moton. Now, I will just continue breaking this tree. Playing this tree. I'm so sorry with the music in the background. It's just like a video for with my cousin and my brother. Wait. I will see you guys when I'm... Welcome back guys. After chopping about 4 trees, this is my... I got 2 saplings, an birch sapling and oak sapling. I have 14 oak wood and 18 birch wood. Let us see if I can make a crafting table. Let's make a crafting table. Wait, guys. Make a crafting table. Yay, I have a crafting table. Wait. I'll see you guys. Okay, guys. It's already night time and there's a zombie. Ow! Oh my god. Another zombie. Oh god. Oh god. Oh no. Oh no. Run up. Game rule. Keep inventory true. Hey, I'm scared. Can I get guys? Right back. Alright guys, sorry for the cheating, I will just blur it out when I do it. I can just get cobblestone even for this house. Yeah. I will take all the cobblestone from here. Let's go in this house. I'll mine this house. Huh? Wow. Here, now I can make my own home. Right here. Hop. 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 Hop.